up there.
We're going to be all the way at the end.
Swing this a little, go down and this way. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Another inch, stop. Okay, bump it one more time. Pick up.
Perfect.
Pull up. Keep going, you're on.
Is it on the 3-inch ball or the 2.5?
I think it's 3-inch.
Holding at 6. Stop! No, man. Listen, son.
way. Turn it. Thank you. Are you doing everything the hard way? All right, now get back under it. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. There you go.
Good evening, I'm Michelle Tuzzi.
I'm Mark Brown. Today, city leaders welcome 10 trailers previously used by first responders during one of California's massive wildfires. Eyewitness News reporter Miriam Hernandez live now in South LA to show us how they're being repurposed to help alleviate the homeless crisis. Miriam.
That's right, Mark and Michelle. This had been a very ugly city-owned parking lot, and now it's filled with trailers. In those trailers soon will be many families getting a lot of support.
Some families experiencing homelessness now have a place to live thanks to the California Department of Transportation. 10 travel trailers were delivered yesterday to Safe Landing for families. The trailers have a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and dining area, as well as other amenities. Within the next couple of weeks, Caltrans will send out an additional 20 travel trailers to LA County.
The marvel here, it all came together in 3 weeks. The trailers mobilized from a natural disaster to fight the homeless crisis. By executive order, Governor Gavin Newsom released them last month to provide temporary homes for families with no place to live. Today, 10 trailers are move-in ready. Partners coming together, city, county, state, public and private entities collaborating.